Okay, Dominic, sorry it took so long. I had a few people, teachers and all that stop in, but here we go. So name the triangle sides that are parallel to the given side. So I just went ahead and did the odd ones. So AB is parallel to ZY, CB is parallel to ZX, and XZ is parallel to BC. So, you know, AB, ZY, XY, AC, ZY, AB. And then you probably don't have a problem with that one. Maybe moving on is the sticky parts. Points M, N, and P are the midpoints of the sides QRS. And so they give you the measurements of the larger ones that I wrote here. This would be 30, this is 30, and this is 18. So all these, this segment, PN is half of 30. MN is going to be, or MP is going to be half of 30. And MN is going to be half of 18. So MN is going to be half of 18, which is 9. MP is going to be half of the RS, which is 30, so that's 15. PN is going to be half of, let me see, half of the RQ, or the QR, I should name it in the right direction, that's 15. Okay, so in his video, Mr. Berry's video, you just got to remember that if these are midpoints, these are midpoints of all these segments. The lines that are parallel to one another in parts of triangles, this is going to be half the measure of this, or this is going to be twice the measure of this. Okay, so 15, this is half of the 34, so you just take 34 divided by 2, so x is going to be 17. Okay, this is where it starts to get complicated. So for this one, it's just going to be half of 41, so just take half of 41. It's going to be a decimal. 17, 2x is going to equal 14 because double this 7 is going to be this, right? So double 7 is going to be this, it's going to be 14. So 2x has to equal 14, so x by itself is going to equal 7. We need to divide both sides by 2. This one, so 3x is going to equal whatever half of 54 is. Half of 54 is 27, because this is going to be 27. So 3x has got to equal 27. Divide both sides by 3, and you get x equals 9. This one, we have 5x is going to equal whatever double this is, because this is half of this. So you double it, 20. So 5x has got to equal 20. So just to solve for x, divide both sides by 5, and you get 4. 21. This is going to be, how did I doubled this. This is going to equal double that, right? Because this is half of that. So I set that x plus 9 equals 2 of these 2x's. So that just becomes 4x. Combine my like terms. I subtracted x, got it on one side. And then I took 9 divided by 3, and I got 3 for x. This one is going to be 10x minus 21. Let me set it up for you. 10x minus 21 is going to equal 2x's. Okay, and then just go ahead and work that out, kind of like you did in number 21. This one, this is going to equal 3x's. So you see I worked it out, and I got x equals 10. Okay, and then on the back, or on the last page, one thing in the video, in Mr. Berry's video, also, you got to note that, you know, these angles are going to be equal. These angles are going to be equal. So if the measure of angle A is 70, BDE is going to be 70. If BED is going to be 73, well, then angle C is going to be 73. Okay. D is 23, so AC is going to be double it. It's going to be 46. And AC is 83, so DE is going to be half of that, 41.5. Okay, and I put those marks in, you know, that this is the midpoint for this side and this is the midpoint for that side. All right, so hopefully that helps. And, you know, try the even ones. If you have more questions, just let me know.